Microsoft project up in Redmond for the corporate offices. It was a bit of a challenge because other casework companies didn't want to touch it because it was heavily involved. But we looked it over and it really lended to our expertise, which is wood, which is finishing, and those two alone it really highlighted what we're all about here. There was what they called a bullseye wall. So you had big circles, and then as the corner of the wall did a 90 degree, the other portion of the circle had to join and connect that way. On the other element, they wanted this log wall. So you had different thicknesses, different widths of walnut logs. The wood we got from an old growth walnut tree. It was cut into slabs. Now those slabs also entailed having laser etching done to it. All the etching had to line up perfectly all the way across the whole feature. The client loved it, and yeah, it turned out really well. The fun thing about this project, not only was it fun and interesting, but it really was more, it wasn't so much casework, that type of stuff, woodworking. It really was more art. It ended up being a real cool, fancy art project.